Yo, what's good people? I'm here in Newcastle, back with my guy Niko.
Yeah.
You might remember him from a video this time last year. And we're just gonna get into cooking up today, man. No specific vibe we're going for. We're gonna start with a loop for the first one and probably cook something up from scratch for the second one. So let's just get straight into it.
Let's go.
I've been working on a few loops this month, so
Nice.
all dark vibes like usual, obviously. This one's a bit different. It's like Detroit vibes.
Detroit vibes. That one's cool as well.
It's almost like a drill melody, but around 100 BPM.
100 BPM?
104. But we could
Actually,
think of a different bounce for it. Maybe like a dancehall bounce or something.
Yeah, let's go.
Have you heard that M24 track that he released recently called, you know which one I mean? It's like a dancehall type of vibe.
Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, that's 107,
Different vibes in it, yeah.
Yeah, 107 is, bro, I love that BPM, you know. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, simple, bro. Easy to rap on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hard.
I usually use instead of the Edison one, you know, the actual
use
pitch
that,
corrector.
yeah.
Usually more accurate as well.
Like, just a pitch
Yeah. It
corrector.
just shows you straight away.
Right,
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. I would add a delay on that as well, like a third delay.
Like that. Like it's an 8th delay.
I was thinking more of
Or a fast one.
You got fruity delay 3 in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, try that one. And then go into the presets and go sterilized. And then just turn so you dry all the way down. And then your mix knob, put it to like 30%.
That's hard. I'll do the thing that I had in my head, and then I'll pass it over to you and then see what you think. So I was thinking, like, I know we use it all the time, but obviously the spins, but it's just a short version.
It just works every time, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get me? Just like...
Yeah, just like that, innit? After I've done, you know.
Yeah.
Banger.
More idea, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, love bass. Let me try this.
Thinking like something like...
Yeah.
I feel like you do your thing. Yo, real quick, my Black Friday sale is ending this weekend, and if you haven't seen it yet, all my kits, courses and bundles are up to 70% off right now. Plus, anyone who makes a purchase will receive a special mystery gift, and if you spend more than $50, you'll get a $30 gift card back. So if you're looking for new drill, trap or boom bap sounds, or if you want to learn more about making the genres through the courses I've made, then now's the time, man. It's the biggest sale of the year. There's no code needed, just click the link in the description. It's finishing this weekend, and let's get back into it. So let's do a quick structure, yeah?
Yeah. Oh my god. Crazy. This one's a hit, boys. That 107 pounds is crazy.
Yeah. Might not need anything more than this.
No, it's done. This is done. Gotta add the finishing touches, the tags.
Yeah.
Your tag is hard, you know. I keep saying it as well. I said it last time as well.
Oh, respect, man.
It's
That's
clean, innit?
my girl's voice as well.
That's mad, innit?
Who did your tag?
I'm not even gonna lie. I ordered it online.
Yeah.
Or some website, bro, and I just took it.
A lot of people do, man. Nothing wrong with that.
It's Niko in your speakers.
Yeah.
Hard. Cactus.
Yeah, this was crazy.
This is hard, bro. This is hard.
Could hear a few people on this.
Yeah, it's cold. Do you have any vocals around 107 BPM?
Not on here.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
What do you think? It's hard, innit?
Rate those log drums as well in this part.
This is a club banger as well.
Yeah. It's like a ghetto club banger, innit? Like I could hear.
Twerk it.
Mm.
Now we're just talking about like the different avenues of music, innit?
Yeah.
Like you're either doing the online sales business
Online
side of
route
things,
or
or
the,
you're in the industry.
Definitely. There's just a lot of options now compared to before, where it was like everyone was just chasing the industry stuff. Obviously, the content game just created a whole new world, didn't it?
But there's a lot more money in online beat sales.
Think.
Yeah, 100%.
Like you could sell your beats for like, I don't know, you could put your prices to like a couple grand for exclusives, and if that's all you do, if people really want your beats, then
They'll pay it.
they have to pay that,
They'll have
or
to
they
pay
can
that.
go to the guy who's selling the $1 beats, but that's when your brand's gonna have to be crazy strong if you want
Yeah.
those high prices.
Literally.
Or
Not
having just
easy.
like a real unique sound where it's like you're the guy to
You're
go
the
for
guy
that
to go to,
specific
yeah.
sound.
Facts.
I don't think I have that much of a unique sound because I make so many different vibes. So
I
it's
don't
not
know.
like-
With a few, yeah. As soon as I hear a beat, I know it's yours.
Do you think?
And it, you know,
That's
and
interesting.
it's not the style of the beat.
Yeah.
It's the way you mix your sounds. Like
okay.
you're mixing like with the
Yeah.
beat. Like as soon as I hear it, I'm like, yeah, that's Cactus.
Oh shit. I never thought of it like that, like the
Yeah.
mix of a sound. So we make something from scratch this time?
Yeah, let's make something from scratch.
And we're thinking like Morad type beats?
We could do, yeah.
Thinking maybe we could even like ARP it as well, you know, so it's
Yeah.
like, I'll get some basic ones and then,
Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling this.
could make a nice vibe with this sort of progression.
You could keep that keyboard and then layer it with the pad.
Yeah, that's true actually.
Monster, if you want to sponsor me, yeah, shout me.
You're addicted to monsters, yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
I can't lie, I've never caught the thing with monsters. I'm a caffeine addict, like coffees, but I can't do monsters.
Well, I drink like 3 a day, you know.
Do not make you piss like a luminous green.
No, it doesn't. I still think Keyscape's the best for piano, you know.
It's sick, innit? I think it's underrated, man.
Keyscape is lit.
Yeah. What I'm hearing is try anything out. I'll find a different preset after, but I just want to see what it sounds like.
Oh, like layered with the
art.
pad. Or art.
Yeah, but like art. So.
Try to change the sound though, maybe.
Yeah.
It's too like.
Can you play keys, you? Yeah,
I'm just going off like.
Yeah, just
whatever's
what sounds
going,
right.
yeah.
Music video style. It's like- Just a sweet one.
And then you want to add some vocals. You've got some nice ones in your new kit. I've been
Oh,
using
the new
them.
one?
Yeah,
Oh,
the new
respect,
one. We could actually do like an actual chorus from Splice.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they're not just actual just like vocal samples. It's
Oh,
actual
okay, I got
like
you.
full phrase.
You know I'm not leaving. Promise that I'll be there.
That'll be hard to sped up as
You know
well.
I'm not leaving.
First one or so.
Right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, mate, the first one's hard. Oh, that
Without
one.
you, I am nothing.
Yeah. That's the one, you know.
That's the one, straight away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you can do your sick vocal processing as well, make it sound nice. Oh, wait for the drums to drop. It's a banger. We're having a session in yard, boys.
Oh, we're not making drill now.
Oh, do you already have your mix bus set? Oh,
I had one in a kit just to start it, and then
this is a banger. See that? Yeah, see what it says, you're mine. Just chop that bit. It's just for like a different section.
of course
And then we can
got an
process.
idea for like a B section as well. You know, for like a chop
For
section.
a chop as well, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's getting there.
It is. I'm feeling it, bro. Trust me. Then when
As soon as that kick comes in, that's when the whole dynamic
it
changes.
just changes. Feels good to be
But
watching
it's
this. Like, what
like,
the fuck are they doing? It doesn't. Then when it hits, it's gonna hit, bro.
Maybe we just need some like drums in or something
Yeah.
just to get like,
Can't do it.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck with the melody, but I'm liking how it sounded.
You can always go back to the melody after you've done the drums.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the one.
That's it. So you know, with all my risers and my perks, I'll do a separate mixer bus just for risers,
For risers.
like risers and fillers,
Yeah.
and then that bus, I would route it back into the melody bus.
Ah, okay.
So
Right, yeah.
it just sounds flush. It doesn't stick out too much,
Yeah. We'll try that then.
and it's still got that kickstart on as well. It
Yeah.
just flows nicer.
What, you send the riser to the melody bus?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you link all your rising stuff to that one,
Right.
yeah. And then on that you would add, do you remember that sterilized delay, the third one? Do that, bit of reverb. It sounds hard. That vocal is hard,
Yeah. When you know you can listen to something like
Over and over
yeah,
again, you know
then
it's a banger.
Of course. This just keeps your head like just constant nodding.
It just bops.
Final scene, take one. Huh? Let's have
Bro.
a quick listen from the beginning.
We're
Just to see.
releasing this.
It's hard. isn't
We're
it?
releasing this, I'm telling you. I'm gonna get a singer on it and it's gonna be a single. You're mine, you're mine. Everything, everything. And imagine if I had all the atmospheric things, the risers, everything, it will sound full. You're mine, you're mine.
Another one, man.
Ain't it? Come on, bro. Bam. The part is nice as well, it's
Yeah,
not too much.
it's kinda
Just
subtle now. Even sounds sick just with the piano too.
It does. That's what I like about these type of beats. Like you can arrange
Yeah.
it so well. There's so much you can do with it. That's how I like that bit. Are you ready for the second drop? Watch the second drop.
You're my everything. Without you, I'm nothing. I still cannot believe you're mine. You are all that I need. Expectations exceed. I still cannot believe you're mine.
Yeah, you don't expect that. As
You
well.
don't expect it, but it fits and works. Leave it right. And obviously, if it was mixed properly, the drums would be banging.
Yeah.
It would sound hard. nice way to end 2024, lads.
No. It's the end of the night. We tell all your boys you love them.
I want you to know I appreciate you, man. Everything you've done for me this year.
I'll see you again next year.